What is up, everybody? It's your girl Antoinette. Welcome to my channel. Guys, today we're going to talk about what binary options are and how people with zero experience are earning 200, 500, 1,000 or more every single day by copying experts within this market. You do not need to be a seasoned investor. You don't even need to know anything about the market to start earning an insane amount of money. And that is what is crazy about this. Guys, binary options, it's the process of trading simplified option contracts with a specific fixed risk or reward. Okay, so a binary option can actually be chosen by a trader based on whether or not a particular asset is going to move upwards or downwards after a set period of time. So if I say, okay, I think gold is going to move upwards after 5 minutes, if I say that and I'm right, I make money. If I am wrong, I lose money. So guys, I'm going to show you a live example of how binary options work and just how simple it is to copy experts. Now, in no way, shape, or form am I telling you to hop on a broker account and start randomly pressing buy or sell and guessing. No, you need to copy people who are getting results. So let's look at some live examples here. So right here, guys, I am on pocket option. And as you can see, we have a few different tabs here on the side. I'm going to point out what you need to know as a beginner in order to start making money with us ASAP. The very first thing you're always going to see, guys, is a currency pair being traded. In this case, we have AUD/CAD. Then we have an expiration time. So remember, with binary options, you have to figure out whether the market is going to go up or down after a certain amount of time. Okay, so if I enter the market right up here for a sell, anything that closes below this line that I entered at, guys, is gonna win. If I enter for a buy, anything above is gonna win. So sell equals down, buy equals up. All right. Now, again, you don't need to know any strategies or anything to start making money ASAP, and I'm gonna show you how. After you figured out how much time you're looking to be in the trade for it, now we're going to figure out how much money we want to potentially make. Okay. Now, as you guys can see here, AUDCAD is currently paying out a profit of 92%. So the more you have, the more you make. Let's just say I have $50 that I'm looking to risk. I'm either going to make a profit of $45, okay, or I'm going to lose that. Now, let's say I have $200. Okay, I'm either going to make, and it's so amazing because it shows you how much you're going to make if we are correct, $180, right? So let's look at a live example here. I'm on a 15-second time frame. This is just a random guess, guys, but I'm going to say, let's just say as an expert, I'm analyzing the markets. I see how it moves. I'm going to say, all right, guys, let's place a buy. As you guys can see, I just placed a buy. So what I'm saying is after 50 seconds, this blue dot right here is going to be above this green line. If I'm correct, guys, I'm literally going to make $180 in 50 seconds. Look at that, 15 seconds. We just made $180 profit. I just made $380 by simply saying that based on where I entered, the market is going to close above because I placed a buy after 15 seconds. Now, guys, really simply, you go to your closed trades and you could see you just made $108 profit after 15 seconds. In a live session, we sit just like this, okay? And we wait for experts to say, all right, guys, right now we're gonna be looking at the currency pair AUD/CAD. So now you're on AUD/CAD. Then the expert is gonna say, based on the way the market's going, we see a downtrend. So if we see a downtrend, we're looking to place a sell. If we see an uptrend, we're looking to place a buy. The expert's now gonna say, let's look to change your expiry to 15 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna see whether we made or lost money after 15 seconds. You set your own trade amount. The expert simply says buy or sell. Guys, all you have to do is press a button, green or red. I pressed green, my prediction was correct, and I made $180. So literally on these sessions, let's just say we don't want to trade AUD CAD. Let's say the expert says, all right, guys, open up your computers. Let's trade GBP JPY. So now as a beginner, you click that trade GBP JPY. Then the expert is going to say, change your expiration date to 30 seconds. We're looking to cash out after 30 seconds, guys. Okay. You set how much you want to potentially make for the trade. All right. So let's just say I have a larger balance, okay? I want to make $460, all right, for this trade if I'm correct. Now, the expert says, you know what, based on the way the market is going, we believe that the market is going to end up above where it is right now after 30 seconds. Place a buy, guys, place a buy. So now we're all sitting here on the call. We're anxious, we're anxious, we're anxious. We're seeing what the market is going to do. If the market ends up above my green line, I'm going to make money because I'm in a buy. If it ends up below, I'm going to lose money, okay? So I gave a buy example. Let me show you guys a sell. Then it will tell you top up your account because you don't have a sufficient amount of balance. So you really can't risk too much. You cannot over leverage in this, okay? So as you guys can see here for that buy, I did not close above. This is just a random guess, but I'm showing you guys real live examples. If you're correct, you're in the money, all right? So we place buys and we place sells. Now, all you have to do, guys, is hop on these sessions, okay, and follow exactly what the experts are saying to do. Let's take a look at something else here. So I get the question all the time, are binary options safe? Yes, guys, binary options are safe, but it does pay to do your research and make sure you're dealing with a legitimate provider. And you have to understand how the market moves or copy experts that do. So as you guys can see with that example, we made money the first trade off of a random guess, but you never want to be in a position where you're gambling. You don't want to guess. You want to actually take the time to learn strategies. Or if you don't have the time to learn the strategy right now, get on live sessions and copy exactly what the experts are saying. Currency pair, expiration time, buy or sell. That is literally all you need to know. Now, how a beginner can start making money ASAP, find a mentor or a group that's winning consistently. Yes, I'm in one. I am in a group where right now we meet every single day. We get on live sessions and we are literally making money, guys, okay? As complete beginners, as people who are experts, we are here together and we are making money. Two, as you open a broker account, I use Pocket Option. Okay, this is going to allow you to start buying and selling and start making money ASAP. Three, attend live training sessions. So yes, we trade live, but we also teach you guys what's happening in the markets so you can one day learn how to do this on your own. Do exactly what the expert says. Currency pair, buy or sell, expiration time. Make money, okay? Then, of course, you're going to want to take your time to learn various strategies so you can one day trade on your own. And yes, we have courses for that. So are people really making thousands, if not hundreds per minute? The answer is yes, okay? You can do it. But the long answer is that it does require hard work, commitment, and dedication to consistently turn a profit. And that is why getting started in this industry, I decided I don't want to sit down for 5 years and learn how to do this on my own. I just want to copy people who have been doing it for decades, who are getting amazing results. And guys, we have people within our group right now who are literally paying bills by pressing buy or sell and making what they used to make in a week in 15 seconds trading binary options. Let me show you guys some real examples from our group chat of people who are getting insane results. The one thing that we say, guys, when we're in the money, when we make money trading binary, is we say clear. You're going to see this term a lot. So as you guys can see, we have people within our channel. Channel's growing really quickly and we're seeing great results. Everyone here is saying clear, 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 big clear. Like this thing that we are making money, guys, cleared, cleared, cleared. We have people dropping profits. So as you can see here, Queen, he's making about $20 per trade. Overall profit, $100. This session was about 15 minutes. He literally hopped on, made 115 minutes and went about his day. He could have bet more, but he was very reserved. All right. We have other people making insane amount of profits right here, guys. Closed trades, live account, making 100, 200, 300 in a matter of minutes by placing multiple trades and listening to what experts are saying. These are complete beginners, guys. I literally cannot make this up. We are making money every single day trading in this market. So if you guys want a very effective way to start earning money, the answer is definitely binary options. You don't need to commit a lot of time to this. You just need to copy what experts are saying. And if you have any questions about what to do on these charts so that you make sure you're not making any mistakes, simply ask one of us. We'll break it down for you in more simpler terms, and we'll make sure that you guys come into our movement earning while you are learning. With that being said, guys, I do host free trainings on this a lot. So simply comment down below for access or DM me on Instagram at _Antoinette G. And you know what I always say, see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Guys, let's learn how to make, manage, and invest money this year. You can do it and we will help you.